that looks nice. See how... Wow. Just got some fresh cut durian. Whakalofa te makau. Sawadee e aho nei, a motolu, hoko hoko mai ki a Thai festival I Vita Cloud. Jackson and Indy are performing. They've joined a kickboxing club in Howick and they've learned some boxing skills, so they've been asked to do a performance at this Thai festival. This is where we're going to. We're just in a bit of a rush because they're meant to be on stage in half an hour. And as we're walking past, you can see the Disney. I think you can see Mickey Mouse. Bro, that's next level. P&O was good, but that's next level. And here's the cloud.
Neil went to that.
How are you feeling, Andy? You excited to perform? No, you got this. I must tell you, I'm not being biased, but Indigo has one of the best kicks in the class. She has one of the sharpest and fastest kicks ever. As we're getting closer, if you ever lost kids, just go over there. Oh, feels like I'm in Thailand now. Here we go. Dan, if you want a massage, just let us know, Dan. And here we go. Here we go, we made it. There's the team. Here we go. Here's our kickboxing team. Sawadee Cup. We're in the Thai festival. Oh, mango sticky rice. I think I might have to buy one of those. Yo, we're outside here. Some more food here. For looking, I've seen mango sticky rice, so that's what I'm gonna buy. I'm not gonna sway from that, but it's like all Thai.
Follow the bright green.
Oh, what'd you say?
Follow the bright green.
Yeah, man. Follow the leader. Sawadee Cup, sabai mai. Good pasa Thai. Yeah, practicing the Thai. Miss Picky, Thai noodle. Wow, it's just jam-packed. So yeah, so many people. It's awesome. Yo. Holy. Yeah, that's the other side. Let's go then. Okay, we've had a look. It's 2-pack. The kids are gonna start in like 20 minutes. So we're gonna make our way back. It's pretty hard out. It's not the right place to practice speaking Thai. Man, uka, hey langona. Lahi lolongo. We got Singa beer, famous in Thailand. Ariana, what are you eating?
This donut.
Oh, famous in Thailand. So we're gonna go back. Wow. Thank you. Hiya. Thank you. Yeah, let's go. How you hold it? Yum. Mango mo laisa. Tota hemitaki. Leva mangaho lali au ke mo kai. Kia lali au. I've been searching for mango sticky rice in New Zealand. Finally got it. It's delicious. So now we're just waiting now. Alright, it's the red button.
we have 11-year-old Leo and 9-year-old Indigo performing the Waiku. They will then go onto the pads with Coach Amy and Coach Wimbledon. We also have 7-year-old Jackson with Coach Mutton and 6-year-old Phoenix with Coach Niue. Please give it up for our team.
Sorry, brother. Are you alright? Smile, girl, smile, smile. How was it? Your first demonstration?
Good.
What do you think?
It was good. I wasn't scared.
Oh, that's good. You think you'll do it again?
Yeah, but I want to try.
We go. I already got some shaved ice. Oh, that looks nice. Fiha ito. Fiha. Fiha.
Huh?
How much?
Oh.
Oh, ono tala. Nice. Aroy mai. Oh, just got some fresh cut durian, not frozen. Come to eat outside, because I'm just too busy and getting hungry. This cost me 5 tala, ha-sip baht. That's $50. So I'm gonna eat one now. I was waiting for Danielle, but it's taking too long, so I came out, have one and save her some. Here we go. Durian. I'm gonna try this, see how it tastes. The lady picked this one for me, so we'll see. Tastes. Tastes alright.